Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. Today I wanted to make a little video for you guys explaining the importance of servicing your vacuum. Your vacuum is just like any other machine or appliance. It should be regularly serviced, cleaned, and maintenance, and the filters be replaced yearly. This just helps a lot of different things, which we're going to go over in this quick video. So a lot of people think that you don't have to service your vacuum, and a lot of people are able to never service their vacuum and still have it perform adequately. However, it does cause a lot of different issues that you may not notice, even though because it's still picking up and you never serviced it for years or replaced the filters, it is causing harm to the vacuum. It's causing harm to your carpeting because it's not going to fully pick up everything that it should be picking up, as well as for allergen reasons. You know, it's supposed to have good filtration. Filters are supposed to be done yearly, so we'll go into detail over that. So servicing your vacuum is different from just having it repaired. So a lot of people will bring a vacuum into us for repair because the vacuum is not doing certain things. It's not picking up, there's no suction, little suction, it's not turning on, you're hearing a rattling sound, you're hearing noises, which are all indications that there's something going on with your vacuum, that bringing it in for a repair would make sense. So some of the times, a lot of these issues that we find are just because it needs to be serviced. It needs to be cleaned. There's a clog in the machine. The filters are bad, need to be replaced. Different things like that. Sometimes people want them, you know, if you have pets and animals, you may have an unpleasant odor that comes through your vacuum. You know, with pets and animals, sometimes they make accidents on the carpeting. That gets picked up through the vacuum and then it's there forever, especially cat urine and feces and things like that. You know, those are hard things to get out of the vacuum cleaner to make them smell fresh and clean again. But we are able to do all that here at our store. Some other things people may know, like their electric bill is going higher. Some vacuums will run, pull more amps depending on what it's trying to do. If it's struggling to vacuum and there's a clog in there, it's very common and very safe to say that, yeah, you could be consuming more electric from your vacuum than you normally typically do. But servicing it, we recommend, you know, the national average is every 12 months, but, you know, depending on the use, it's really, if it's a once every 2 weeks, you can stretch it out over 14 to 16 months. But at least as long as it's done within a, you know, 12 to 18 months period every year, every time. That's crucial, especially if you spend thousands of dollars or $1,000 or $500 on a vacuum. You want it to last long and perform good all the time, and servicing will help that. It will help prolong the life of that vacuum. So having us servicing it, cleaning it, tuning it up, it'll help help the overall life of the vacuum to where you may get a couple years, but if you service it, you may get 8, 10 plus years out of that vacuum. The performance and how well it picks up and cleans on your carpet, that's also crucial. You know, your roller, if you have a vacuum that's 5 years plus years old, the bristles start getting softer and wearing down. You know, those should be replaced. That's going to help create more agitation for more pickup power. Sometimes you get things stuck up in there. The filters get clogged up, so it's not providing as much suction to pick everything up. But another big thing that we see is the filter. So a lot of people have allergies, pet allergies, seasonal allergies, dust allergies, pollen allergies, animal allergies, all types of different things. So when your vacuum is picking up the dust and dirt, it's going to kick up a lot of stuff. It's the vacuum's job to serve it, to take that dirty air, that dirty dust, odor air, put it through the system, put it through those filters, and clean everything. So everything that blows out of that exhaust is nice, clean, fresh, dust, dander, odor-free air. And if you're not regularly changing those filters every 12 months, you're reducing the air quality by, you know, everything that's coming out of there is going to have a bunch of allergens and dust and dander, and then you're breathing that in. So it's going to help the life, your health and the health of your vacuum and, you know, everything else in your home. So basically, in conclusion, if you have a vacuum that's just not performing very well, not picking up, has some sort of odor to it, if you're somebody that has allergies, we highly recommend bringing it to us. We can give you an on-spot estimate of what it'll take. They're not very expensive to do. They're very inexpensive, but the best thing about it is you'll get more for your buck by doing this, because you won't have to be replacing vacuums every few years and spending $300 to $400 or $500 on a vacuum when you just can simply have it serviced, clean, maintenance, and filters, and then it'll do the trick and keep it running better. So if you have any questions, give us a call at 703-997-9292. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as follow us on YouTube, and you can stay up to date with everything that we got going on. If you do have any questions, give us a call or stop in. We're here all 7 days a week. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.